Hey guys, so today I am going to be making Eggs Benedict, and pretty much what it is like a toast on the bottom. You can use like an English muffin. Today I'm using sourdough bread, and then you put a poached egg on top, and then you put a Hollandaise sauce. And the main part that I'm going to be focusing on today is the Hollandaise sauce, and I'm going to be making it in the food processor just to make it a little less complicated, because usually you would do it on like a double boiler thing, and this is a Tyler Florance recipe. But yeah, I thought I would make Eggs Benedict because sometimes I would see it in like food competition shows like I would watch, such as like MasterChef, and it looked hard, and so that's why I'm only focusing on one main thing, because I gotta learn how to poach an egg. I already tried and it failed. And then yeah, so I have my toast already toasted. What I did was I bought a nice loaf of sourdough bread, and I chopped it into nice slices, and then I put it on my baking sheet. I added some oil, drizzled with oil. I put some salt on top, and then I toasted it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then I flipped over those and I toasted it again, and so now over here, nice and toasted. And so over here, while my water is warming up, I'm going to be making my Hollandaise sauce. So in here, first I'm going to add my eggs, my egg yolks. Make sure they're separated. My salt. And my Dijon mustard, which I've never tried before, but we'll see. I don't usually eat mustard either way, but I never knew how the sauce was made. Okay, there we go. And then my lemon juice. And now I'm just going to mix all of this together. I'm going to pulse it, and I want it to come together nice and then be like nice and creamy. Now I'm going to put the food processor on low, and I'm going to slowly add in my melted butter. So I have my poached egg. I'm really scared it's gonna break, and I'm gonna attempt to put it on my toast. I'm scared. Oh wait, I don't want to touch it too much because it actually turned out good. And now I'm gonna put my sauce on top. Let me get a spoon. Now I'm gonna add my sauce. It looks like this. It's a little watery. I don't know if it's supposed to be. It is a little creamy, but we'll see. Got a nice little dollop on there. I'll add a little bit more. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't want to have too much if I don't like it. There we go. And I know some people, they add like a bunch of stuff on there. They'll add like chives. The Tyler Florance one, actually, he put avocado to make like the avocado toast thing. But I'm really just like basic with my eggs, and I just like eat them pretty plain. If I had bacon though, bacon would have tasted good, but I think I'm already gonna have a hard time trying to eat this, so I didn't have bacon because I got my wisdom teeth taken out about a little over a week ago, and so we'll see. Here, let me show the egg. We'll see how it turned out. There we go. I don't know if it's too runny. I wasn't really sure how long I should have cooked it. I think it's I might just have to take like a straight up bite, maybe from this side. I don't know. Cut it like this. I'm gonna try and get more towards the middle. Hopefully not too crispy, because it's also hard for me to eat like super crispy foods. Like I'll try to eat toast and I couldn't even eat the edges. Alright, try this. Got a little piece of everything. Hopefully not too big. So it was a little hard to chew, and I still had to chew with my front teeth because they still hurt a little bit. But it tasted really good, and I actually really liked the sauce. Grab some. And yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes like a little lemony, and then I thought, oh, it's gonna be weird with like Dijon mustard, which I've never had before, but it actually makes the egg taste really good. And then you have the nice crunchiness of the toast here. You can hear it. And the egg's pretty good too. And yeah, I'm glad I was able, well, my mom helped me poach the egg because I failed. But yeah, I think it turned out good. And I was kind of getting tired of like eating scrambled eggs every day, especially just by itself. And the poached egg is actually really good. So I would definitely make this again. I mean, I have a bunch of toast and I gotta use up the Hollandaise sauce because it has raw egg. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.